Hey, what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SASS, exploring all the finer things in life. And as you guys can tell by the title, today is another unboxing. Yay! We love unboxing! Before I get into this week's video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more videos like this. All right, guys. Every year I try to buy myself some new pair of boots for, you know, the upcoming fall and winter season. On my list, I have 3 particular boots that I really want. Unfortunately, 2 out of the 3 boots got sold out so quick. I'm not gonna tell you guys what those boots are because I feel like every time like I say stuff to people or people see certain things that I like, or if they hear about certain things, they break their neck and they get it. You know what I mean? So I like to kind of keep, you know, my likes and my wants in life a secret. So I'm not gonna tell you what the other 2 boots are, but I tried to attempt to get those boots and they sold out as usual every year. So because of that, I was able to get 1 out of the 3 pairs of boots that I want, okay? And I have been wanting these boots for a while. It wasn't at the top of my list, but it was like, it was there. Like, I feel like every time I try to order them in the wintertime, they always get sold out. And yeah, like, we don't like that. We don't like that. I was able to get these boots early. They had my size and everything. They weren't sold out because the winter season hasn't really came yet for people to be ordering these boots. So I'm kind of happy because at least I got 1 out of the 3 boots that I really want. Okay, so today's unboxing, as you guys already know, is I'm unboxing the Moonboots, okay? Moonboots, okay? They flew straight in from Italy, honey. Straight in from Italy. So, you know, I'm feeling special, honey. Straight in from Italy. So, obviously we're gonna get into this, all right? I got my little knife to open my little box here, and I never touched it, never opened it yet because I want you guys to kind of see everything. So I'm kind of excited. I'm kind of excited because you guys, like, if you guys are on, like, you know, social media, which I'm pretty sure all you guys are, like, you see a lot of girls take pictures with these nice boots, and I think they're cute. So let's just get into this unboxing, okay? All right, y'all. Open this up. These are, like, guys, like my last resort boots. Like, not to say I'm a fan, but like my other 2 boots that I really wanted, I would rather than first, because they're more like winter fall boots, whereas I feel like this is more strictly winter. I feel like they're strictly winter boots. Oh yeah. So the first thing, this is the first thing you see. I'm actually like sad. Like, I thought they would have came in like a box, but here it is. It comes in this little bag. Let me just, right here. Oh no, Moonboots, y'all need to step it up, honey. Y'all need to get you guys some boxes. So these boots actually feel light. Like, they don't even feel heavy. Like, I thought they'll be like really heavy in weight, but they're not. They're actually pretty light. So that's pretty cool. So I got my size. I got a size 39/41. I'm really hoping they fit. That is supposedly a size 8 in USD. Oh, look at them, guys. Look at them. This is the boot. She cute. These are the next boot. Okay. Has a little tag here. Says Moonboots, so y'all know it's real. Has that original at the back, Moonboots at the side. This is my tag on this side. Okay, the inside is like this little spongy cushion thing. On the outside of the boots, it's like the material, that waterproof material. Look how cool the bottom of these boots are. The only thing is, which one is which? I'm not sure what left and right is. Hold on. Okay, I think this one is left. I think this is right. Because if you look at the boots, you can't really tell. I can't really tell. But I'm gonna assume by this little tag in here that this is gonna be left, this is gonna be your right. Okay, so this is the moon boots. Let's try these on. Let's see what's going on here. Let's get into these boots, man. All right, so these are the boots. This is where it fits on my feet. Well, it doesn't fit on my feet, but like there's my leg. So this is how far it comes up. Excuse the fact that I have no socks on. Let me try these on, because I don't even know if this is my size. Ooh. Oh, wow. They definitely feel big. When I look at the boot from down, it seems like this one is right. This one is left. I don't know. But they don't feel like weird. They don't feel like, you know when you're wearing like wrong foot of shoes, like if you're wearing your right on your left or your left on your right and it has that weird feeling. I don't feel that. But like when I look at the boots, it almost looks like it's going this way from my angle. Let me try on the other, try it on the other way. I don't know, guys. I can't tell. I can't tell which way it goes. Now I'm confused. I'm just gonna go with the original way, but the material inside does give it that like comfy, it's like spongy material that's inside the boots, and like actually it's actually a comforting feeling. These are the boots. Finally got my hands on these, man. These boots were on my list, but they were like on the bottom of my list, okay? Like I have other choices. There's other boots that I definitely wanted before these ones, but every year, these two particular boots, like I miss out on them every year. Like I just can't seem to get those particular boots. So we got the moon boots. I got them early because I know by December, by wintertime when it starts snowing, my size is done, it's gone. So they look like astronaut boots. That's why they call it moon boots. Like they look like actually like boots that you wear on the moon, literally. So these are it, guys. Quick unboxing. They come with these little laces here. Don't worry, guys, stay tuned and watch how I dress myself in these boots. I'll definitely have a video for that. But for now, this is it. A quick unboxing, nothing special. It's cute. All right, guys, that is it. We are at the end of my video. This is actually one of the quickest unboxing I've ever done. Like I honestly expect these to come into like a box or something, but they didn't. But I'm not tripping. I'm actually happy that I finally got my hands on the moon boots, because like I said, these weren't at the top of my list. The only reason why I got them is because the other two boots that I really wanted went, you know, they were sold out within like seconds. Like they dropped at 12 p.m. and sold out by 12 p.m. So so I finally got these, and I chose black because I feel like black matches with everything. Like you can't go wrong with that. Like I really want to choose a different color, but I just wanted for my first moon boots to have something that matches with absolutely everything. Maybe if I purchase another moon boot, it'll definitely be a different color. But this is it, guys. These are it. Straight from Italy. All right, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, like I said, to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And I'll be back with another. Bye, guys.